Good day, everyone. Today I'm gonna bring you a shortened version of the poem by Gerard Knowles Trinity titled The Chaos. I am Ivan Rebozon. This is my performance task in CCS2. So, let's begin. Dearest Creator and Creations, study English pronunciation. I'll teach you in my verse sounds like corpse, corp, and wars. I'll keep you, Susie, busy. Make your head with heat grow dizzy. Day or night, your dress will tear. So shall I, or hear my prayer? Just compare heart, beard, and heard. Dice and diet, Lord and word. Sword and sword. Retain and retain. Now I surely will not plague you with such word as black and ague. Be careful how you speak. Say brick and stick, but bleak and strict. Cloven, oven, how, and low. Script, receipt, show, home, and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery. Daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, measles, tapsels, and aisles. Exiles, similes, and reviles. Scholar, vicar, and cigar. Solar, Mika, war, and far. One, anemone. Balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, and Laurel. Gertrude, German, Queen, and Mike. Sin, Melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, and chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mood like should and would. Toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation is okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve. Friend and fried. Alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous, claymore, and enamor rhyme with hammer. Wait, surprise. Plate, promise, pal. Worm and storm. Chase, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor. I, I, A, way, way, and K. Say ever, but ever. Fever, nether, leisure, skin, deceiver. Heron, greenery, canary. Revise and devise and airy. Face, but free face, and not a face. Phlegm, phlegmatic, as glass, bus. Large, but target, G, give, virgin. Hiccup, cough has the sound of the cough. My advice is to give up. That's all for the shortened version of the poem by Gerard Knowles Trinity titled The Chaos.